All right, everybody, we are here live for a four-box driver break 2025 Topps Chrome Formula One. The break is sold out. It's brought to you by BCW Supplies, Car Ladder, and Graded Guard. Lucker, buddy. No purchase necessary. See full rules at https://ebaycasebreaks.com/entrance. 9 through 12, last four boxes of the case, which means tomorrow we start a new case. This is not the last break of the night. There's Merlin Chrome Soccer later. Yep. What up, peeps? What I miss? What time is it where y'all at? All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Lando Norris. Lewis Hamilton, Speed Demons. Lando Norris. Oscar Piastri, Refractor. Ocon Behrman. Lando Norris, 131 out of 299. George Russell. Carlos Sainz, Fernando Alonso. Senna, Floret. Oscar Piastri, Lewis Hamilton. Laurent Mekies, Refractor. Pierre Gasly. Gasly. Alex Albon. Isaac Hadjar, Speed Wheels. Max Verstappen. Carlos Sainz on the move. Sainz. Carlos Sainz, Ace of Trades. Toto Wolff. Lando Norris, 14 out of 199. George Russell, Laser. Not actually what it's called. Zhao Guan Yu. Emerson Fittipaldi, Legends. Carlos Sainz, Checkerboard. Ugo Chukwu. Charles Leclerc, Grand Prix. Lando Norris, Helmet. Juan Pablo Montoya, Carlos Sainz. Speed Demons, Oliver Behrman. George Russell, James Hunt, Legends. Fernando Alonso, Refractor. Leonardo Fornarole. Piastri, Norris. Blue, 65 and 150. Ivan Dominguez. Carlos Sainz. Gold autograph, 47 out of 50. George Russell. Floret, Nigel Mansell. Albon, Sainz. Fernando Alonso. Max Verstappen, Refractor. Lando Norris. Set up this randomizer. Damon Hill, Legends. Oscar Piastri, Laser. Isaac Hadjar. Max and Yuki. George Russell, Ace of Trades. Carlos Sainz. Oliver Behrman, Rookie. 1 out of 250. Pierre Gasly, Franco Colapinto. Speed Demons, Isaac Hadjar, Lando Norris. George Russell. Nico Hulkenberg. Oscar Piastri, Lando Norris. Carlos Sainz, Helmet. Nico Hulkenberg. Lewis Hamilton. Floret. Mika Häkkinen. Lewis Hamilton. On the move, Carlos Sainz. Refractor. Mario Andretti. 125 out of 250, Oliver Bierman, rookie. Carlos Sainz, Speed Wheels. Yuki Tsunoda. Max Verstappen, Ace of Trades. Gerard Berger. Esteban Ocon. Kimi Antonelli, rookie. Max Verstappen, refractor. Isaac Hadjar. Oscar Piastri. Gabriel Bortoleto. Lewis Hamilton on the move. Lando Norris. Speed Demons, Alex Albon. Lance Stroll. Roman Stanek. Gold! Kimi Antonelli, rookie. 13 out of 50. Roman Belinsky. Carlos Sainz, Pierre Gasly. Villeneuve. Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri. George Russell, Kimi Antonelli. Nigel Mansell. Max Verstappen, Florit, Damon Hill. Charles Leclerc, Nico Hulkenberg, Gabriel Bortoleto. Lando Norris, Alex Albon, refractor. George Russell. Gabriel Bortoleto, 82 out of 199. Esteban Ocon. Max Verstappen. Lando Norris, Ace of Trades, Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Charlie Wurz, refractor. Nico Hulkenberg. Lando. Oscar Piastri. Richard Vershaw. Charles Leclerc. Lewis Hamilton. Helmet. Esteban Ocon. 3 out of 50. Williams Racing. Speed Demons. Kimi Antonelli, rookie. Lando Norris. Max Verstappen. Yuki Tsunoda. Michael Schumacher Legends. Still got to figure out what those are called. Lance Stroll. Max Verstappen. Lando Norris. We are halfway. Lando Norris, Ace of Trades. Isaac Hadjar. Leclerc, Hamilton. Gabriel Bortoleto, rookie helmet. Yuki Tsunoda on the move. Daniel Ricciardo, 158 out of 299. Lando Norris. Rookie. Oliver Bierman. Max Verstappen. Sebastian Montoya. Lando Norris. Marty. Checkerboard. Richard Vershaw. Charles Leclerc. Alex Albon, Speed Demons. Kimi Antonelli, rookie. Alonso Stroll. Lewis Hamilton. George Russell. Kimi Antonelli. Franco Colapinto. Dino Beganovic, refractor. On the move, Franco Colapinto. 74 to 75, Fernando Alonso, black. Damon Hill, floor Mario Andretti. Max Verstappen. Lance Stroll, autograph. Esteban Ocon, speed wheels. Stella, Charles Leclerc. Berger, legends. Carlos Sainz. Charles Leclerc. Nico Hulkenberg. Fernando Alonso, Oscar Piastri. Esteban Ocon, Ace of Trades, Lewis Hamilton. 144 to 199, Kimi Räikkönen. Lewis Hamilton, helmet. Lance Stroll, Lewis Hamilton. Arvid Lindblad. Mika Hakkinen. Speed Demons, Kimi Antonelli, rookie. Esteban Ocon, Max Verstappen. Charles Leclerc. Yuki Tsunoda, Max Verstappen. Lando Norris, refractor. Franco Colapinto. Christian Ho, 88 out of 250. Floret, Mika Hakkinen. Max Verstappen, Nigel Mansell. Max Verstappen, Carlos Sainz, speed wheels. Hulkenberg, Bortoleto. Lando Norris, Berger, legends. Charles Leclerc, Danny Ricciardo. Oliver Bierman, rookie. Neon Nations. Ocon, Bierman. Sebastian Montoya, Lando Norris, Emerson. Fittipaldi, legends, refractor. George Russell, Richard Vershaw. Gabriel Bortoleto, rookie. 49 out of 299. Floret, Senna. Charles Leclerc, Esteban Ocon, Yuki Tsunoda, speed wheels. Pierre Gasly, Max Verstappen, Yuki Tsunoda. On the move, Nico Hulkenberg. Franco Colapinto, Lando Norris, helmet. Franco Colapinto, Max Verstappen, Speed Demons, Lewis Hamilton, Zhou Guan Yu, Stella, Tim Tramnitz, 113 out of 199. Stenstorm. They actually are called lasers. That's interesting. Charles Leclerc. Checkerboard, Yuki Tsunoda. Juan Pablo Montoya. Hamilton Leclerc. Fernando Alonso. Oscar Piastri. Floret, Nigel Mansell. George Russell, Lewis Hamilton. Leonardo Fornaroli. Flavio Briatore, 96 out of 250. Speed Wheels, Isaac Hadjar. Carlos Sainz, Mika Hakkinen, legends. Ace of Trades, Carlos Sainz. Alonso and Stroll. Lewis Hamilton, Lance Stroll, refractor. Lando Norris, Emerson Fittipaldi, Ugo Chukwu, laser, Carlos Sainz. Last stack, Kimi Räikkönen, legends. Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz, helmet. Lando Norris. 205 to 250, Sainz and Albon. Speed Demons, Oliver Behrman, rookie. Lando Norris. On the move, Esteban Ocon, laser. Oscar Piastri, Carlos Sainz, Nico Hulkenberg. All right. Four. I don't know what these are called. Box topper packs. I wonder if you can get autos in here. Franco Colapinto. Liam Lawson, rookie. Alex Albon. Purple, 98 out of 199, Esteban Ocon. Pierre Gasly. Oscar Piastri. Franco Colapinto. Liam Lawson, rookie, 203 out of 299. Oscar Piastri. Lance Stroll. Charles Leclerc. Michael Schumacher, 75 out of 99. Green. Oscar Piastri, Lance Stroll, Charles Leclerc, and Mika Hakkinen. All right. Now for the duels. Random. Left or right? 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and the winner is the driver on the right. 3 times right. So I'll give you an example here. This card here will go to Carlos Sainz, but we have another one, so that'll go to Alex Albon. The better one will go to that. If we have 2 of the same, each one will get one. That's the break, the random, and the recap. These are going to ship out tomorrow. You get all the cards with the video on YouTube right now. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll start a new case, soccer, later tonight. See you then. Over and